Hello everyone, this is Mia from Retekess Official. Today I will show you how to use the amplifier TR619. First turn it on. This is for the TF card and USB mode. And this is for FM radio station. This is for mic. Let's check it. Plug in. Hello, hello. Hello, 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 hello. You can hear it's very clear and loud, and you can use it outside freely. Besides, we have a TT123. The wireless one, and like this, you can buy this one separately. It's not included in the TR619. First, you need to turn it on and plug it in. It will search this one directly and turn this one on as well. Hello, 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 hello. You can see the sound is very clear as well. And you can use this one to change the volume. And that's it, it's quite easy. This is for how to use the mic. If you have any other questions, feel free to email us at support@retekess.com. And also visit our website www.retekess.com. Thank you.